Do you know Japan has two species of honeybees? The native Japanese honeybee and the imported Western honeybee. Due to the higher honey production, commercial beekeepers started keeping only Western bees. But then, more and more people started keeping Japanese bees as a hobby. So how will the Japanese keep this type of bee? Follow us through the video below. Explore the Royal Jelly Harvest Farm in Japan. The Japanese honeybee is one of the subspecies of Apis cerea. Like many other species of bees, they are raised mainly for honey and milk. And in Japan, keeping these native bees is a hobby for many people. Since they are native bees, they grow very quickly and are not difficult to care for. Like many other beekeeping farms, in Japan they also keep bees in consecutive crates, which is an efficient and easy method of keeping bees for harvesting the bee milk. This multi-story hive has a fairly simple structure, allowing the bee colony to freely build nests without restrictions and to protect the queen bee, larvae, and newborn pupae. Keep the bees and take care of the hive regularly to ensure their health and development. During the care period, they will always feed the bees with a sugar syrup. The natural sugar can be digested by the bees and converted into energy, and it helps them to maintain life. They can harvest the honey in the second year if they know how to nurture the bees well. Japanese honeybees, on the other hand, are resistant to disease and colds and develop skillful defenses against the wasps by forming a ball around them and raising their body temperature until it cooks the wasp. As they trap the wasp inside and heat it up to 46 degrees Celsius with a collective body temperature. It can be seen how well the Japanese honeybees are able to transmit diseases and kill their opponents, thereby showing that they have a strong ability to live and better to pollinate plants than many other bees. As the royal jelly is usually secreted by the young worker bees in the colony, it is used for larval rearing and the queen bee rearing. Unlike other products, such as honey and probiotics, royal jelly is quite different in that it is a milky white substance secreted by the bodies of the worker bees. as the ideal time to harvest the royal jelly is when the larvae are about 5 days old. To harvest the royal jelly, they will need to equip the gloves and protective gear. They will remove the framework containing the royal jelly cells and start wiping out the bees that are clinging to it. They use a special milk dispenser to get the royal jelly. Normally, royal jelly is obtained from the queen bee's cells by gently poking and collecting the exude. This method ensures that the required amount of milk is obtained without harming the queen bee or the hive. Liquid royal jelly is a complex bee product. When put into production plants, royal jelly will be mixed and then cooked with many other ingredients needed to create fresh, sweet, and nutritious royal jelly products for consumers. Beekeeping for honey or royal jelly is both great, but beekeeping can be dangerous to human health, especially for those who are allergic to insects. If you are inexperienced in beekeeping, then seek help from professionals or experienced people to be on the safe side. As this is the end of our video for today, how do you feel? Please leave a comment down below to let us know. Don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. For now, goodbye and see you in the next video.